Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to install Dart on your computer step by step. By the end, we will be ready to write and run that program without any issue. So my name is Remy. I'm going to help you to install Dart. So before we start, you have to know what is Dart. It's a programming language created by Google. It's mainly used to build app with Flutter, but you can also use it for web and server development. So before coding in Flutter, you first need to install that. So first of all, you have to download Dart SDK. What you need is to open your favorite browser and search Dart. So go on official website and click on get Dart. So I will share the link in description. You can go on description and go to direct link and click get Dart. So on this page you will have to see the system requirement of the Dart support. In Windows you have to you will be asked to have 64 bits and also IML64. On Linux you have 64 IML RISS-V. So this is the requirement of that, and also the requirement for macOS. So you will have to choose different way to install that. So the first one is to use package manager, and the second is to use Dart docked image. The third one is to install Flutter, because Flutter is a UI of Dart. So you have to, that means that Flutter have that inside it. So other ways is to download zip file, and other is to build SDK from source code. So the way we are going to use is to install using Chocolate. So first of all, you need to install Chocolate. I will share also the prompt to write. So first of all, you have to open your terminal. Press Windows X and open terminal as a, and also install Chocolate. You have to type wget install /id chocolate.chocolate-e and press enter. So on my PC I already installed it, but if you doesn't have it, you must install it. So the next command you have to do is to copy this one and paste into your terminal and click enter. So here you have to press A to accept or license all. You type A and click enter. See that the path is added, and it started to be downloaded. It is allowed to 102 MBs, so you have to wait until it finishes to download that.
Trying to debug all these thoughts late at night. I build that future, but I'm stuck in the past. Tell me, is this connection gonna last? Seconds feels like a playlist queue. Check and play, yeah, I teach what's new. But sometimes in the blue screen haze, I wonder if I lost myself in the maze. Live stream dreams, watch numbers climb, but who gon' be there when I press rewind? Is it the grind or am I just blind? Tell me, Phil, are we losing time? Oh, I see the dream in the pixels I paint. Hustle and hoard, I don't know, no restraints on the streets to the beats, yeah, I stay in my lane. But sometimes I wonder, do you feel the same? I'm coding love, but the syntax ain't right. Trying to debug all these thoughts late at night. I build a future, but I'm stuck in the past. Tell me, is this connection gonna last?
Dart SDK. What next you have to do is
maybe this love can still stay intact.
You have to have your editor, your preferred editor. If you have VS Code, if you like IntelliJ, you have to open it. So to get VS Code, you have to go on internet and search download VS Code. So once you are there, you will see the official website, and go ahead, download it and download your version. If you are on Ubuntu or Debian, you have to download Debian, hello.dart, Fedora, and also Windows, and also the version of macOS. Depending on your OS, we have to download the OS you have. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to learn the test command to check if our Dart is working. We are going to verify if it's completed. So to verify it, you have to type Dart version to check the version of Dart you have. So you see that I have an error. So what I have to do is to restart my terminal. Close it and also open my terminal again and type that version again and click enter. You see that you have our Dart SDK version stable. Show you the version of your SDK. So what you are going to do, as you installed your favorite editor, you have to open it. For mine, I really like you to use Visual Studio Code. Open it and also create a folder that you are going to start your project, and open it in terminal in Visual Studio Code, and also click here to create a new file and call it like hello.dart. So once you finish that, you have to type your Dart code, simple code like Dart void main,
Sometimes in the blue screen haze, I wonder if I lost myself in the maze. Live stream dreams, watch numbers climb. But who gon' be there when I press rewind? Is it the drive or am I just blind?
Message.
Are we losing time?
Hello.dart.
Oh, I see the dream in the pixels I paint. Hustle and hoard, I don't know, no restraints. On the streets to the beats, yeah, I stay in my lane. But sometimes I wonder, do you feel the same? I'm coding love, but the syntax ain't right.
So once you finish writing this code, you have to learn it, start debugging. You can click here and you will get an output. You see that we have hello.dart. And also another way to learn it, you can open your terminal in Visual Studio Code by pressing Ctrl Shift and colon, and also type that. Learn the name of your file, hello.dart. So you see that we have our Dart running, hello.dart. So next thing we are going to do is going to learn Dart, going to learn basics. So on next video I will show you how to create first project, and also I will teach you the basics of that. So that's it. You have successfully installed that and even learn your first program. Next video we dive deep into that basics and start writing more codes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming tutorials. So thank you.